hopefully it's all set up. Just want to see if it's running real quick. Okay, so it is Friday, April 18th, my last full day in Vancouver before I leave. Wow, I did not expect it to come this fast, but today it's gonna be my packing day. So first things first, we're gonna try to pack up most of the clothes that are in my closet, lay them out on my bed. I have a huge list here on my MacBook about all the stuff that I'm gonna need to pack. I'm probably gonna have to add more to it as well as I go through it. We have a lot of packing to do, and honestly, I woke up quite late today because I came home quite late last night after big way, and then also with my friends, and then driving them home. But it was fun. It was a fun last thing to do before I leave, and I'm really gonna miss them. I'm gonna miss all my friends and all my family here. But yeah, today it's just gonna be a packing day and enjoying the last bits of Vancouver while I am still here before I ship off to Ontario. So let's get into this packing time lapse. Quick little update about the packing situation that's going on right here. First of all, I've got all my stuff just charging right now, getting ready for the flight. So I got all my t-shirts. I finally decided which ones to get or which ones to bring. I'm bringing about 10 of them. Pants, I'm gonna be bringing 2 more pairs of chinos that are currently being ironed. Button-down shirts you saw earlier, and then the flannels, and then sweaters and hoodie right there. Over here are a bunch of packing cubes that I've already packed up. It has a bunch of like the smaller stuff like my pajamas, underwear, socks, some pairs of shorts and shirts. So we're gonna keep packing and we're gonna keep going. Oh, damn it.
We should just take off like right now. Mom, go right up.
Alright, so we just got into our hotel. We just checked into a hotel that my dad will be staying at for a few days to help me get set up. Before we checked in, we just visited the place that I'll be living at. Looks pretty good. I ordered a bed frame and a mattress that got shipped there, and we just unpacked it and checked the place out. Currently like 5:45, and I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna go to Eastside Mario's, which in BC, the last one that was in BC, at least the last one that I ate at, was probably over 10 years ago. But they actually have quite a few in Ontario, so we're gonna be heading there for dinner, and it's only like a couple-minute drive away at Oshawa Center, and probably do some shopping there. So yeah, honestly, it's so surreal being in a new city, and yeah, honestly, like from just driving around for maybe like 10 minutes in Oshawa, it has the vibes of like kind of like a small town. Like there's a lot of brick. That's what I've noticed. So yeah, we're gonna keep exploring, and also there's a park there's like some trails that's really close to where I live. So I'm probably gonna take a walk there in the next few days. But yeah. Alright, so Eastside Mario's, I would rate it a solid like 8 out of 10. All you can eat soup, salad, and garlic bread. Holy, that was nice. That was really good. It was really good.
Times when you're going through a streaming service, maybe a new one, and you discover a show which you've never seen.
It's practically its own place.
Holy. First sign of Asian life. Pacific Mall. It's nice to see some Chinese. Nice to see $8 haircut.
All right, holy cow.
We're at the we're back. All we need is a TNT. We have reached civilization, at least Asian civilization. Really? Small. Feels like small. Yeah, I kind of remember that. No, I'm okay. It's a lot of stuff here. What looks good to you, Dad? What looks good to you? Really? Yeah. But he's copyright team got nothing on these guys. Sheesh, Dad. That's nice. Ontario traffic. We're really not used to this, are we?
Zoom in. Ontario traffic, Easter Sunday.
Yeah, it's Easter Sunday.
First wine taste. Congratulations. Oh, look at the way he holds it. Like a connoisseur.
Don't forget to snip
It's
it.
interesting.
Place I went to was way worse than this.
Lot of stuff we got here. Costco haul complete. Shopping cart? I think that I need. POV my room after a huge Costco haul. Peep the closet in the back over there. We got a lot of stuff. So first time going to Chick-fil-A. We don't have one in Vancouver. My god, the Uniqlo's over there. So we are back in my store. Like 80% of my clothes are from this store, and I love it. Back at Costco, but this time for food, because I'm going to need food when my dad leaves. So let's get some food now. Costco haul number 2. Alright, so my dad just left about 15 to 20 minutes ago, and he has an early flight tomorrow, and so he's leaving early, so I am sleeping in my new room for the first time. And I won't be seeing my parents for... I'm sorry. Yeah, I was just saying, it's a little hard on me right now. Like, I've been so busy over the last few days getting everything set up in my room and everything set up here that I've just it just never dawned on me that I am gone from my parents for a whole year, or gone from my family for a whole year. Yeah, you never really can prepare for the emotions that come with this. Like, I thought I had everything prepared emotionally, but yeah, I'm still getting everything set up. I think tomorrow I'm probably just gonna stay home all day and just clean, try to cook a little bit, and then just try to get everything else set up. My dresser should be coming tomorrow, so that should be great. And still got a lot to unpack. I'm probably gonna spend a little bit of time unpacking before I go to bed. I still got a shower too. But yeah, man, I have not cried in quite a while, but it really was. I did really get emotional today. It was pretty emotional. But yeah. I'm really glad that my dad was able to come with me and help me get set up. It was such a big help, and I'm super grateful for it. So yeah, I'm really gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss my parents. I'm gonna miss my mom. I'm gonna miss my brother. I'm gonna miss all my friends in BC, in Vancouver. But yeah, it's what my dad said. It's gonna get harder before it gets easier, and I guess this is just one of those hard times. So yeah. Well, we'll see how the first night is here. See how well I sleep. Anyways, peace out.